Apple just leaked its own iPhone 17 event date. Yes, you heard that right. The company that's known for secrecy, the one that cracks down on leakers, has managed to leak its own event. And now the date is out in the wild, September 9, 2025. Go ahead and mark it on your calendar now. What makes this so unbelievable is that September 9th had been floating around as a rumored date for weeks, but now it's no longer just speculation. Apple itself confirmed it, kind of by accident. So how did this happen? Inside the Apple TV app, an official event invite briefly went live. It disappeared quickly, but not before people spotted it, shared screenshots, and spread the news everywhere. Apple pulled it down fast, but the damage was already done. And here's where things get more interesting. That invite wasn't just a plain design. It strongly resembled the original MacBook Air wallpaper. Knowing Apple, that's no coincidence. Apple loves to hide clues in its invites. Which is why many are convinced this design is a teaser for the rumored iPhone 17 Air, a brand new ultra-slim model that's set to replace the iPhone 17 Plus. So, let's break down what's expected in this year's lineup. We're looking at 4 models. The standard iPhone 17, keeping the familiar design. The iPhone 17 Air, which focuses on slimness and portability, a direct rival to Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge. The iPhone 17 Pro. And the powerhouse iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now here's the curiosity spike, the Pro models. According to multiple leaks and even case makers like Brand, the Pro series is finally getting a major redesign on the back. If you've been waiting years for Apple to shake things up, this could be the big moment. But it's not just about iPhones. Apple's September events always pack more. This time, we're almost guaranteed to see the Apple Watch Series 11. And for those who love premium rugged gear, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 might also make an appearance. Now let me ask you this, which product are you most excited for? Polls already show that 59% of people are hyped for the Pro and Pro Max, while 18% are curious about the iPhone 17 Air. The rest are keeping an eye on the new Apple Watches, or just enjoying the chaos of Apple leaking its own event. Drop your pick in the comments. I'll be replying to the first 100. Moving on to colors and software. Reports suggest the iPhone 17 Pro will come in bold new finishes, including an eye-catching orange option. And of course, all 4 models will run iOS 26, featuring a new liquid glass design that makes the interface feel smoother and more futuristic. But here's the part not everyone will like. Prices are going up. The iPhone 17 series could cost about $50 more across the lineup. The silver lining? Apple is removing the 128GB option. The Pro models now start at 256GB. Competition this fall is no joke. The iPhone 17 lineup will battle Samsung's Galaxy S25 and Google's Pixel 10, both pushing AI and camera innovations to the next level. Which one do you think will win the flagship war? And here's the irony that makes this story unforgettable. Apple has always gone after leakers, building a reputation for extreme secrecy. Yet this year, the company leaked itself. Even Apple isn't immune to mistakes. So mark the date, September 9, 2025. Expect the iPhone 17 lineup, new Apple Watches, and maybe even a surprise or two. Whether you're excited for the slim iPhone 17 Air, the redesigned Pro models, or just watching for Apple's next big move, this event is going to be massive. And because of Apple's slip-up, the hype is now bigger than ever. And if you think this leak was crazy, wait until you hear about the secret feature rumored for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. That's coming up in my next video, so don't miss it.